Hello and welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts. Today we're going to look at a string pull. Now I know I've done a few string pulls before in the past, some videos on them, but I like to change it up, not do the same thing. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a string pull on a suggestion that one of my subscribers made. So I'm going to have longer pieces of string. I'm still going to have it in portrait mode. I'm going to pull through the middle, but I'm going to be doing some twisty bits as well. And the colours I'm going to be using, I think today, are blue, gold, and I don't know, perhaps another colour. I haven't decided yet. So wait and see. Please enjoy this video. I've got my resin mixed up now and I've got my string cut, and how I'm going to do this is I'm going to have, or try without making as much mess as possible, to have one piece of string there like that, one piece there like that. Now there are going to be some drips onto this base colour because that is unavoidable, because I'm just not able to not make a mess. One like that, and one like that. And then I'm going to pull through the middle slowly, and we'll see how that comes out. The base of this is going to be a yellow colour, and on the top I'm going to have coat here, and then the strings are going to be blue, white, and then we're going to pull them through and see what happens. The base colour is now on, and that's the yellow. I've got to put some nice bright mica in that as well, because as you all know, I do like a bit of mica. So the first string I'm going to use is the one where it's got the 3 loops on it, and like I said, this is going to be messy. I am under no illusions this is going to be a neat pull. There is going to be drips and that about, because it can't be avoided with this, the way it's going on. But I'm not worried about that in the slightest, because I think they all kind of add to it. So there we go. The first one, let's wipe my hands off, because I don't really want to contaminate the white as too much as I'm putting it down, although it is inevitable as well. So the first white one should be the long piece of string, not the loopy one, if I can get it out of the pot. It is. Now this one shouldn't be quite as messy as the other one. Who knows? So I want that to be about there, around there like that, and there. Come on, off my finger. So that's kind of what I was looking for. Move that a little bit out there. I can go down there a bit. Okay, let's wipe that stick off. So the next one will need to be another loopy one. Oh, sorry. I think I've messed this up. I think I may have messed this up. I put the wrong ones in the wrong thing. So we will do this slightly different. Oh look, get a right mess now. Okay, well I'm not so bothered. There we go. That can go there like that. Oh look, I am making a mess here. And that can go there like that. Who said it was ever going to be exact? Certainly not me. And that can go in there like so. And I will pull round anyway. And then we're going to do another one with the white hoops on. So the next one is going to be the white one. And as we know, that's got 2 loops on it. And that should be quite a lot easier for me to put down because it's just got 2 loops. So that can go there like that. That one can go there like that. Let's get some paper and pull into this paper because I don't want this all over the floor. Let's get my trusty hook. I'm going to try and get in there. Okay, and I want to pull quite slowly. I think I pulled a bit fast last time. So there as well. And there. I'm going to pull it a lot slower this time. And there. Okay. And now I'm just going to pull slowly through there. I think I've left a string behind. I have. That's okay. I can hook that now. Pull that slowly through there as well. Okay. I like those little dots of blue everywhere, and I think I'm going to make a feature of that. Because at the moment there's only 3.5, I think there should be a few more of those. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this resin I've got left here. I'm going to put a little bit there, a little bit there. And there we go. Well, at the moment, I loves it. So I'm going to go over it now with my heat gun and get rid of some of these bubbles. And kill these bubbles because they are the bane of our life. It's selling up in a couple of places, which is really nice. I'll let that come to the top again. And go and get rid of some more bubbles. I was going to say my gas is running out, but it's because I turned it down. It's not actually running out at all. Now, I'm using a torch on this rather than a heat gun because I don't want to blow these colours about. I want them to stay virtually where they are, just spread out a little bit. And if you use the heat gun, it does have a tendency to blow it around a little bit. Right, this is it, the last going over. Is there a few there? And there we go. One string pull, basic string pull. I'm sure we can all do that. I just tied a few hoops and knots in it, put a few dots in it, and I loves it. I think that has come out really, really well. So if you like what I do and you like the experiments I try, then please hit that subscribe button and the little bell for notifications, and you'll get notified every time I release a new video. And please hit the like button, because the like button really does give me so much joy. I love the like button. And I always hit the like button for everybody as well, because I think it does give you a lot of pleasure. So thank you very much indeed. And we'll come back to this when it's dry. So there we go, that's come out really well. I'm quite pleased with the way that's come out. It has celled up quite a bit, which looks really pretty. I think those colours have merged in really well. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. And actually, I really like the dots around it. It gives it a real, just a different feel. Thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making it. I loves it. Thank you very much. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video as much as you can to help my channel grow. Bye.